Hey guys, welcome back to Moddy Style Garage. This week, the 308. That's right, she's back in there. Back in the VC, but not running. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is where we're up to. Just put some undercoat throughout the engine bay. So, got right in there, cleaned all that chassis right out. It was terrible. It's just that people paint over paint over paint over paint over paint. So K-frame's still going to be black, but the engine bay all going to be white. I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. So all the extractors are on now. Set of pacemakers originally on it when I took the motor out. Keep the Holly covered when I don't have the air cleaner on it. Before it wasn't covered, so no shit got down in there. So that will do it for this week's episode. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, please jump on, like, subscribe, share it with your mates. So I can bring you some more footage and hopefully some more cars once this one's done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.